Hello everyone, this is Shubhank here from Om Prakash Ajay Gupta Jewelers. So here we are with all the exclusive diamond jewelry collection, mainly the chokers today. So firstly, thank you so much everyone for all your love and appreciation towards our jewelry. For the previous live show that we have done, we got a great response. Thank you so much. Now I would expect the same for the diamond chokers because they are made all hand sketched, designed, and they're made all by experienced karigars. So I'll just show you all the collection.
Also, it's something that everyone asked for, they demanded for this, so we've come.
Many people asked for diamond chokers,
diamond jewelry.
First, so
yes.
So this is one of our masterpieces. It's a very different kind of a necklace, wherein it's 3-in-1. You can wear a choker, you can wear 2 kind of necklaces. So it's all a convertible thing. It's basically a 4-in-1. Wear it as it is, wear as a choker, wear as this layer or this layer, however you want to wear it with your outfit, with as per the occasion you want to wear it on. All the green stones are all changeables.
Great. Also, Shubhank, before we we go to a few more pieces, I want you to explain them about the whole DM and message system so that they're acquainted about how to inquire about the price or the weight. Can you just
so for the pricings and for the details of the choker what you want, just take a screenshot of what you're liking. This video will be saved in our IGTV column, so you can always watch the video again. So just take the screenshot of what you're liking. In our IGTV column, in the title itself, we'll be providing you with 2 numbers, contact numbers. You can WhatsApp the pictures to either of the numbers. You'll immediately get the response of the pricing and the details of any of the choker you like.
Perfect. Let's go to our next piece.
So the next piece is here. This is also very beautiful. Made, the look of it is very heavy compared to the price of it. I mean, just take a screenshot of it, send us on WhatsApp, you'll be surprised with the pricing. It's that kind of a piece. And it's basically a 6-in-1 kind. So this can be worn as it is. The top part, this choker can be worn separately. This choker can be worn separately, that's 3rd. The locket can be worn separately, that's 4th. This and this can be worn together, that's 5th, and this as it is can be worn together, that's 6th. So this is the 6-in-1 kind.
They want an approximate price. Can you give them that?
The approximate pricing, like these kind of chokers, are ranging for around, roughly I can tell you, is around 16 lakhs range. Okay. Earlier these kind of chokers used to come for around 20-22 lakhs, but as per the look of it, it's all filled up with diamonds. If you see, there's no much of gapping between it. Generally the chokers that come for lesser pricing has gaps between it, that's the reason it gets cheaper. But this one is full of diamonds, filled with diamonds, but in a lesser range compared to what were being made earlier. The stones are all changeable. You'll get red and green stones along with them.
Perfect.
And let me tell you, all our jewelry is IGI certified diamonds. You can you'll get the certificate along with the jewelry. You can always view the certificate on the website of IGI also.
Perfect.
So the next is here. This again is a very beautiful piece. More of emerald and diamond dominance. The green stones are all onyx, glass filled onyx, which are used in diamond jewelry. If you see, it's a very classy piece, a very kind of modern piece, which will look very beautiful for brides, and it's a very pretty choker. This again is a 2-in-1.
Okay, and then they want an approximate price.
The pricing, again, I will be able to tell you exact if you WhatsApp us, but roughly it would be around the same, around 16-17 lakhs range. Roughly.
Yeah.
The diamond sizes in this is not like -1 cent to 2 cent, it's a little bigger than that. It's a mixed sizes, and all the diamonds are VVS EF, excellent cut diamonds in all our jewelry.
They are asking if these are Swarovski crystals.
No, these are all real diamonds, natural diamonds, and the green stones are onyx.
Right.
Onyx stones.
And everyone's talking about prices, so they all want approximate prices.
Give me a minute, I'll just check on the approximate pricing of this.
Okay. And honestly, for now he can mention it for this, but I think it would be better if you could just put these WhatsApp us regarding this, or just DM us. It would be much easier to inquire for you all and for us as well.
This particular range is for roughly around 14 lakhs range. This one.
for
14 lakhs.
right. So I hope you guys got that
Diamonds are all VVSEF excellent cut diamonds.
right. Also a few inquiries, Shubhank. So one of our the person watching is asking us if we have chokers around 7 to 10 lakhs.
Yes, we do have chokers around 7 to 10 lakhs range also. We'll be showing them soon.
Okay, and someone wants to see lightweight jewelry in gold.
Lightweight jewelry, we have our IGTV saved. If you see in the profile in the IGTV column, there's a video of lightweight jewelry that we had done, a show. You can watch that.
So
video
in gold as well.
In gold.
Right. So someone is also asking for a collection in 7 to 10 lakhs.
Yeah, we'll quickly show them. We'll soon show them to you.
Okay, so we've only shown them like about 3 pieces, so there's much more coming, you guys.
there's more pieces
Please
coming.
wait out for that. Also, for one asking for Kundan choker, today we're only doing
Yeah,
diamond.
today it's only diamond.
Right. Also, what is the exchange rate or percentage for these diamonds?
Okay, so our policy is always like we're into business since great grandfather. I'm the 5th generation in it. Our policy is always remain the same and will always continue to be the same. For gold, it is 100% weight to weight exchange, and for diamonds, you get 95% of the value in exchange.
Right.
5% value guaranteed for the diamonds.
Okay, and what is the carat price of diamonds?
In each they are different because each has separate cut and each
Quality.
Yeah, separate. The qualities are VVS, EF in all of them because we all make them in the top qualities. The cut and based upon the sizes of the diamond. So basically, it's from 43,000 range starting onwards.
Okay, and they want to see it with earrings. What about the earrings?
The earrings, you can just WhatsApp us the picture that you're liking. Earring option, we'll give it to you as per the choker design.
Right. And they're looking for choker cum bajuband. We do have those, and we'll get to those very soon. Yeah.
We will get to those also.
Okay, let's
And
go.
let me also tell you that if you like any choker that you want to fit it in a particular budget, we can do that. Like we have our own production. So any choker in what range you want, we can customize it likewise.
Okay. Does the jewelry require any kind of maintenance?
For diamond jewelry, there's no kind of maintenance required, but we will give you separate storage boxes wherein you can store in that. It will be easy for you.
Right. And is this 18 karat gold?
Yes, these are all 18 karat gold hallmarked.
Right. Next.
So coming to this again is a very pretty piece. Again a 6-in-1 necklace with changeable stones. Locket can be worn separately. The chokers can be worn separately. If you see, it's a very pretty one.
Also,
It has got a concept of peacocks in it. If you zoom
right.
in, this one's concept.
And so Mamta asks that says that it would be good if we show them how it can be worn when you say 2-in-1 or 3-in-1.
Sure, I'll just explain you the system of it. And also just take a screenshot of what you're wanting. If you're wanting any additional inquiry, because we have kind of a few more chokers, so the time would go very long. So just send us a picture of what you're liking. We'll send you how the pictures of how it looks when you detach and wear it.
Yeah,
So
and
let me
about the pricing as well, it would be easier that way. If not, the IGTV would become too long if we go into every single detail,
Yeah.
right?
So this one, I'll just explain you how is it done, the concept. So here, if you see, for detaching the locket, there is this provision given. So locket is detached.
Right.
It's very simple. You can easily do it. We've kept it to be very simple. And for the chokers to make detachable, there are screws here, which has locking systems.
Right.
So that makes your both the chokers go detachable. And to add the locket here on the top choker, there's a loop again here. So it's very simple. I mean, it's just screw system like how you wear earrings. It's just like that.
Okay. And they also want to know. So someone wants to know if the pieces that they like can be shipped to Canada.
Yes, the jewelry can be shipped to your location, wherever you want.
Right. And also, do they want to know if we have any close setting chokers?
Close setting chokers are mostly made on order because close setting necklaces we generally have. Chokers are made on order in
Right.
close setting.
And if it's possible, they want to see some pendants.
Pendants, we will plan soon to have an IGTV for pendants also.
Perfect.
Just message us, DM us your suggestions on what you would like to see on our next live show so that we can plan accordingly.
Okay.
Because I mean, compared to the last live show that we had done, we got a majority for diamond chokers.
Right. Also, for all those asking for prices, please DM or WhatsApp.
We will
It would
provide
be
you with
much
the
easier.
WhatsApp numbers that you have to DM to. You'll get a reply quickly.
Very
on the
quickly,
prices.
yes. Okay.
So here again is a 6-in-1 with more of onyx and diamonds. It's a 6-in-1. Again, the mechanism goes as the same. There are screws and lockets.
As the previous one?
As the previous one, yes. And the stones are changeables.
Okay.
So if you want, you can wear it with full red, with full green, or if you want to mix and match with red and green. However, as per your outfit, you can match it.
Right. And Shanti wants to know the price of this one.
This one,
approximate price.
ma'am, ranges for around 11 lakhs range.
And I think this is the last price request we are taking. Please just DM us or WhatsApp us. It would be much easier.
Yeah, this one is for 11 lakhs range. So, because the IGTV actually goes too long, that is the only request for sending us the DM so that we can send you the
Right.
pricings. So this again, if you like, just take a screenshot and you can WhatsApp us on the numbers provided. We will provide you with the numbers in our IGTV column.
They want to see one piece detached.
Okay, let me do it for you. Till then, show them these people.
Okay, so we have these chokers as well. For the one asking for bangles, we don't have bangles for this live because this is only chokers, diamond chokers. But if you want them, please DM us. We can even send you pictures, or maybe we can plan a next live. They want to see harem designs that are detachable.
Harem designs we will plan upon the live. Next we'll plan for that.
Yeah, for today we only had diamond chokers. So if there are any other, any other kind of jewelry that you want to see, please message us, or maybe we'll just put up a poll and you can let us know exact what is it that you are looking for in our live. Okay, so Shubhank is showing you the whole detachment.
Just an example of one single screw because there are around 8 screws.
Okay, and the one asking for necklaces, again today is for chokers, but we can do necklaces very soon.
Till then, run over.
Yep. Yeah, if there's anything you like, any contemporary style with chokers, yes, we do have those. We are getting to a few more designs. We have quite a few here for you. And in case you're liking anything, please do take a screenshot so you can just send us that through WhatsApp or through DM, and we can let you know about the details of the choker. So here's a look. So whatever you like.
So this is being detached here. Actually, detaching takes a little time because
Especially on a live, I think it takes
has to be done
longer.
carefully also.
Layered long necklace in lightweight.
Layer long necklace, sure.
Would it be something of this sort? But they want it to be in lightweight.
Just tell us in the range you want, or you can also send us a message of what you want to see. We can also share photos of what we have.
Which
other than
top one
chokers.
is this? The one you're looking for that you want to see clearly? Okay, lightweight jewelry next live. We do have a live specifically for lightweight jewelry. It's in the IGTV section, so you can just go back and look at that, take reference, and if you like something, again you can come back to inquire through DMs or WhatsApp. Okay, so are we done with the detachment?
Yeah, it's almost done.
So here's how you can detach the chokers.
So there it goes. This
Okay, that's the first
being
piece.
the first part.
That's the top layer of the choker.
So next goes this
That's the necklace, the next layer.
being the second part, and you can detach the locket from this itself.
Yeah, and the locket is detachable as well. It's just got a hook and you can detach this.
For the top choker, let me tell you, you can also make your kids wear it because it looks cute on them. And if you want to wear it for any simple occasion, wear it on any westerns, it will look nice.
And you can always tighten it or loosen it up according to your requirements.
Yeah, we have like extra rings given at the
So-
back of each choker.
She wants to know the price of this set.
This one ranges for around, I have told,
Okay.
but let
She's
me
asking what the 6-in-1 means. She only sees 2 designs in this.
see. 6-in-1 is you can wear these both together.
Okay,
That's
so
one kind.
right.
This being separate is the second kind.
The
This
second
part is the third kind.
this alone is the 4th, right?
This alone is the fourth.
And
Only
the
the
pendant
locket is the fifth. This
and
locket,
this whole 3 things together
this-
is the
that was
6th.
first. This locket attached to this choker is the 6th locket.
Okay, so that's a possibility as well. Can the pendant be a Mang Tika as well?
Yes, the pendant you can wear it as a Mang Tika also. You
Right.
made it 7-in-1 there. Thank you.
Right.
So basically, our main motive in diamond jewelry is when you're spending so much, it should be convertible, wherein you can wear it multi-purpose and not just have it worn once and kept it in the locker. That's
Right.
what we get feedback from many of the customers, that is just put it in the locker after their function. So we want it to be multi-purpose so that you can wear it more often and not just once or twice, only in the functions.
And have you given them an approximate pricing for this?
Let me just check for the pricing of this. Give me a minute.
Everyone's asking for the price of this.
Give me a minute. I'll just tell the pricing of this.
Also, can they buy it as a detached set is something they want to know.
Yeah, sure. I mean, however you want, we can go
Customize
ahead
it
with
for
that.
them?
Yes. This one ranges for around 15 lakhs.
Okay, got it. And someone wants a bridal earrings live.
We will just send us your suggestions over DM. What would you want to see in our next live shows?
Yes.
Because being locked down, we are more excited to do them. So yeah, we would love to show you all the designs that we have. Just send us. We would look forward for your suggestions on what you would love to see.
Yes, we'll just put up a story and they can just let us know what is it that they are looking for.
That's what motivates us to show you the jewelry.
What is the weight of the gold is something they want
And
to know.
there's gold weight of around.
Can we get to these?
We can give you the details over WhatsApp, but roughly I can tell you is around 160 to 165 grams. If you want to know all the exact details, just WhatsApp us on the numbers that we will be providing you in our IGTV, and we will upload it on the story also.
Okay, so they want us to take polls. Of course, we will. You can let us know what is it that you're looking for. They want bridal jewelry and only for the locket or the lower piece. Please inquire through WhatsApp or through DMs. It would be much more convenient.
So
The
now
live is
that,
going to get too long.
Yeah, now that you've got to know how it works, the 6-in-1, let me just quickly show you the designs that we have in
Yes,
6-in-1.
the mechanism is going to be the same, or he's just going to show you the different varieties that we have in our 6-in-1
collection.
collection.
One goes this. This is a very beautiful piece. It's a very classy, stunning piece. The pearls are South Sea pearls, diamonds or VVS EF, all excellent cut.
18 karat or 22
18
karat?
karat gold. It's all 18 karat gold. The stones are changeables, red, green. If you want, we can get blue also made. If you still need any customization to be done, we're always open for it.
Right.
So this again, the mechanism works the same. Next to this is also the 6-in-1. 6-in-1 is on a huge demand because of the multi-purpose that everyone can wear. Just have a look.
Please take screenshots of whichever pieces you're liking. Okay.
Next, go to the next one. This is a single choker, a very stunning, classy piece. We've used red in it, but we have greens also. It's changeable.
Please get back to us regarding the price on WhatsApp or DMs. Please take a screenshot of whatever you like. 6-in-1s. They want to see the 6-in-1.
More of 6-in-1? Yeah, sure. If you're liking this, take a screenshot of this.
Okay. Next of what we have in 6-in-1.
Yeah, we'll just show you particular 6-in-1s first, and then we'll go to the others.
This is one other variety in 6-in-1 that we have. Okay. So can you give them details on this one?
Just take a screenshot and send it. No, we'll send you the details of it. So next, just take a screenshot if you're liking. We'll show you the other piece.
Prices.
Approximate price, it ranges for around these chokers where they're roughly ranging for around 16 lakhs range, 15 lakhs range.
Somewhere close to that.
A few are also around 11 lakhs range. So basically 11 to 16 lakhs range in between.
Right. Next.
So the next is this.
This is the other variation.
This is another variation. It has got a 3D effect actually. I mean, each of these are into levelings. So it's a very different kind of a work. Yeah, so these are the levelings we've used. This is the first time that we've done this kind of workmanship into this kind.
So just take a screenshot if you like this and DM us or just WhatsApp us.
Next is a very exclusive bridal piece, I could say. It's very broad. Also, if you want us to send pictures of someone wearing it to get a better understanding, just for WhatsAppers on the numbers that we'll be providing, so that we can tell you all the clarify all your enquiries basically. So that before you purchase, before you plan anything, you have an entire idea about everything.
Okay, so Spandu says, can we save this video? It will be saved in our IGTV column. So make sure you go through whatever you've already missed. It's going to be there, so you can always check it out in the future as well. Thank you for the ones for complimenting the collection. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Your compliments mean a lot to us. Please, we're very thankful for all the love that you're showing towards our jewelry. Thank you. So,
okay.
These are done.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
So now I'm just showing you the 2-in-1s. This is 2 chokers. One could be one simple on your westerns.
So what is the starting price is something they ask.
Starts from around 8 lakhs onwards. These kind of chokers. Yes.
They want chokers in the range of 6 to 7 lakhs. Is this detachable?
Yes, this is detachable. As I told, this can be worn separately and this can be worn separately. This part basically separately and this separately.
And for the pricing and the details of any designs you like, please DM or WhatsApp us on the numbers that I will be mentioning right after the live.
Next course is this. This is very beautifully made. If you see, each diamond stands out. The diamonds used are quite good in size. It has got a very rich look. It is simple, but each diamond is highlighted in this piece. We've used round diamonds and baguette diamonds. These are the baguette diamonds, the surrounding, the long ones, and these are all round diamonds. Round brilliant cut diamonds is what we use. With all excellent cut, certified diamonds, VVS EF.
Okay, Sandhya says every piece is awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And so they want any neck pieces in the range of 2 to 3 lakhs.
Just WhatsApp us your inquiry, your requirement. We will send you the pictures of what we have.
Right. Also, they want to know if we have a branch in Bangalore.
No, but the jewelry can be delivered to you Bangalore at your home. We have our store at Hyderabad. So if you want the jewelry to be delivered anywhere, wherever you want, it can be delivered.
And you can choose it through, we can do a video call, whatever, we can always...
Yeah, we're open for video calls. The numbers which are being provided, you can also book your video call slots if you want to have a person video call and see the jewelry. We're always up for it. Not only in diamonds, any kind of jewelry. If you want to see lightweight jewelry, if you want to see chokers in gold and diamond, long arms in gold and diamond, you can just send us your request over WhatsApp and book your appointment for video call.
Okay, and 2 to 4 lakhs diamond sets.
Yeah, just send us your inquiry on WhatsApp. We'll send you the designs of what we have available at store.
Okay, and yes, we'll be saving this live, Bindu. It will be in our IGTV column, so you can always go back and check it out. Look at all the designs, take a screenshot of what you like, and always DM or WhatsApp us, and we can get back.
So this is the next one, VVS EF diamonds. It's very pretty, it's very different. The stones being big, the concept behind this is to make the choker look big and heavy. Take a screenshot if you're liking, send us over WhatsApp and we'll give you the details.
Okay, so Aditi asks, what is your cost per carat for VVS EF diamonds?
Again, I've told you, it is all as per the cut of the choker, because we're using all VVS EF diamonds in all the chokers with all excellent cuts. To know the pricing, just send us over WhatsApp. It starts from around 43,000 onwards. We're using all excellent cut assorted diamonds only.
Okay, and do we have any diamond lockets?
Diamond lockets, yes, we do have them at store. Just give us suggestions on what you would like to see in the next live show and we'll show them to you.
And they can also just, DM us regarding the diamond locket designs, and we can always WhatsApp them the designs.
WhatsApp message about the lockets that you want to have a look at, lockets around 3 lakhs range. So, whatever range you want, so that we can send you the designs as per that.
Right. Any 50k diamond earrings? Do we have any earrings in the range of 50k?
Yes.
Diamond earrings.
Yes, we do have diamond studs in 50,000, not hangings. We have studs in that range.
Right. Diamond buttas?
Diamond buttas, yes, we do have them. Diamond buttas are not for today's live show, but we'll plan on that soon. Just send us your suggestions of what you want to see in our live shows. It's again, if you see the workmanship of it, we're not squeezing in the design. We want the design to appear clear so that it's seen from far away also. And the diamond luster is all excellent cut. So basically, cut represents the luster of the diamond. So our main focus is on the cut of the diamond. That's how we assort our diamonds.
Okay. They want to see choker come armlets.
Yeah, that's coming
and
next.
They want to see some simple chokers and chokers in the range of 4 lakhs if we have those.
This next is a little different that we have made. Please send us screenshots of what you're wanting the pricing. We'll send you all the details of the choker.
3-step detachable diamond chokers.
We've shown the 6-in-1s that we have. The video will be saved in our IGTV column. You can always watch the video and see the designs again for 6-in-1. This here is also a simple choker if you see. This one is simple. but we've also made it like each diamond is highlighted in this workmanship. This again is a very pretty choker. These chokers go well with any of the plain gold. If you want to wear below, like if you want to wear traditional kasu har or mango har, on top of each, those kind, these chokers look very classy. I mean, both of them will stand out. It will look very different.
So they want a diamond harem in 10 lakhs range?
Yeah, we do have them. Just send us a message over WhatsApp. Or if you want to see the diamond harems in 10 lakhs range, we'll send you the designs. We have nice ones made recently. We'll have a poll in our story about what you want to see next. We'll be open for your suggestions, and that would help us aim for it.
Right. Here's our next design.
Here's the next design, not too heavy. Again, a simple one which you can wear for any occasion. The simple ones that are being asked are these. A very unique and different piece. Let's take a screenshot of your life if you like it. This again here. If you just zoom in, you just see the workmanship of it. Each diamond appears to be a solitaire.
So the one asking for modern and classy ones, I think this would be something that
it's a
might
classic
interest
one.
you.
It's not too much of traditional.
She says all these are very traditional, so she wants something more modern and classy.
There's one more choker I have separately which is into modern style.
Right. Take a screenshot if you like this. If you like any of these designs, just take a quick screenshot and you can just WhatsApp us or DM us, and we can give you all the details, required details, like the pricing.
And as told, any of the chokers can be customized in the range you want, or if you want any changes to be done as per how you would want it to be, we're always there for it. And let me tell you, when it comes to service, we're always there. Any of the choker, if you want it to be customized, if you want any changes in it, if you want any repairs later in future, we don't charge for any repairing. So it's a long-term business we're looking for. It's not just like we've sold it once and then we don't do repairs, or we charge for it. We don't charge for repairs, and we want to build up we want to be genuine and build up a long-term relation.
Right. And she was just asking for white gold or platinum. I think we just got that for her.
Yes. This one, if you see, is a very, very beautiful piece. Made recently. It has got two polishes. One is the platinum polish. The gold used is 18 karat gold. On top of it is platinum polish. And these here have got rose gold polish.
And I think we have more such contemporary designs at the store right now. We have more of traditional jewelry, right?
So if you want to see this kind of chokers, we have them at store. And also, if you're looking for more choker designs, if you have any in particular, we can make them too. Or if you want us to make any sketches of the designs you want, we can do the sketches also. We have our own team and unit. So
and these are the earrings to go along with those. Really pretty diamond earrings. This is the full set, and this is how it looks. So if you like it, please take a screenshot and get back to us through WhatsApp or through DMs.
Now,
thank you.
Now,
Kiravani says this is so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. So now let's go to choker and bajuband, the two-in-ones that we have in diamonds.
Right.
So here are there. One being this.
So the ones asking for these, I think we got quite a few requests for the choker come bajuband.
Where it can be worn as a choker or a bajuband. 18 karat gold, VVS EF diamonds of excellent cut. Stones are all changeable. Pearls are South Sea pearls.
Can you just place it down here for us?
Sure. The luster of the diamond might not be very clear in the video.
Yes,
But
it
what you
might.
see in the video, I can tell you there's it doesn't do justice to the product which is here. The diamond actually itself doesn't allow to take pictures, I could say, because of its shine.
It reflects.
Yeah.
Yes. Also, they want an approximate price of the platinum choker set.
This one ranges for around 12 lakhs with earrings.
Okay, that's for you. And for all those asking for multi-purpose detachable sets, we've already shown that
We've
to
already
them.
shown. Just this video will be saved in our IGTV column, so you can always watch the video again and send us the screenshot.
Right.
So the next go.
They want an estimated rough price.
Let me just check.
So really, it reflects a lot. Too much of the gold reflects, but this is the design. And we don't have any har right now, any of the haras. And because today is all about chokers, but if you want to look at any harams, you can always DM us or WhatsApp us, and we can give you the designs. This is the other. Okay, you're giving
This
us.
one, the pricing of it ranges for around 5,70,000 roughly. I can give you the details if you can WhatsApp us the screenshot of this.
Right. And this is another variation that we have in the bajuband come choker. Has a very beautiful
Which has
workmanship.
peacock combination.
Peacocks.
We just let me lift it.
Right.
If you see, it's peacock concept. Peacocks are a lot in trend in bajubands. Because being a concept of bajuband choker, peacocks generally you'll have in most of your jewelry peacocks. So that's why it matches perfectly.
This is your other bajuband design. If you like it, or you can take a screenshot, get back to us through DMs or WhatsApp. A few more variations in the bajubands, I would say.
We'll just come in.
Thank you for all of you who've come joined us live to view our collection.
So this here is also a very different bajuband. Choker cum bajuband.
They want an approximate price of the peacock choker.
For that one.
Yes.
I'll just type. Ranges for around 4 lakhs range.
Okay. So this peacock choker
This
cum
one
bajuband
ranges-
ranges for around 4 lakhs
Yeah, with the back chain.
with the back chain. Okay, next. That's
Here comes the next. Choker cum bajuband, a very neat and elegant design. A very simple design.
so. This is the design.
It's very fine made, fine workmanship of it.
A few more So
this one here is a lot in trend. Let me just show it.
yes, I would say this is also more contemporary. Like, I mean, a little bit of traditional, a little bit of contemporary. Looks very pretty.
A lot in trend. We've made it several times. I mean, it's very huge on demand. And everyone, all the customers who've purchased it has personally messaged us on, and they've got numerous compliments on it.
So this is how it sits around your neck. So she wants a price for this one.
These again ranges for around 5 lakhs range.
Thank you. I mean, we're really trying to reach every inquiry. I'm sure I might have missed a few, but still, we really want to take up all your requests, let you know whatever you need.
Sorry if you're missing out on any of
Yes.
your inquiries, but
Please
DM us
DM
and we will
us
surely
or
get
just
back to you.
WhatsApp us. We can always take up the rest of the inquiries or whatever you have. So, yeah, the approximate range, I think they might have. Okay, so this ranges for approximately 5 lakhs. And the weight?
The diamond weight being around 50 grams.
Okay, so the diamond weight is approximately 50 grams.
No, the gold weight is around 50 grams.
Okay, the gold weight. And are the stones changeable?
Yeah, the stones are changeable. Red and green stones. If you want, we can make blue also for that.
Right.
So there's this one here, which is actually the last one.
The-
Again, a peacock design.
Lock setting.
So very, if you see the workmanship of it, the diamonds studded in the peacocks.
Chinmay is asking us to save the live. We will save it
We
in
will
the
definitely
IGTV
save
column. Don't you worry.
And we always have our main focus on the finishing, on the quality, because that's what get you compliments and that's what get us more promotion. The stones are changeable. Diamonds are all VVS here, excellent cut.
We want to see the joint position.
Joint position.
They want to know if we have any scheme. She said we can let them know at the end of this.
Regarding scheme, just DM us, we can explain you what we have.
Yep. Neither.
So again, let me just tell you how the changeable is done. It's just screw system. It's just how you do to your ear ends. You just show now. This particular here is a screw, so you just have to unscrew it and change the stone, and then screw it.
Perfect.
So this was our diamond choker collections. The pricing of this around around 5,90,000 range is the pricing of this. For any inquiries you have,
Please take a
for any
screenshot.
doubts you have, please send us a message over WhatsApp or you can DM us. We will clarify all your doubts. And we always look forward to be transparent in our business, to give you all the details, all the exact genuine details, so that we have a relation maintained. So that there's no confusion, so that you have no second thoughts, because being jewelry, you should it's good to have knowledge about it. So I hope you liked all the diamond choker variety. We're open for the suggestions of what you're wanting to see in our live shows. We'd be very keen to show them. So thank you so much everyone for showing your interest, for giving us the appreciation.
She wants to see this one clearly just once.
Yeah, sure, please.
I'm just going to take you through all the designs one last time
Yeah.
that we have here on the table. Of course, there were more. You can go through the video all over again through IGTV. We've saved this video right there.
If you want to have a video call,
she wants to see it from far, so the design is clearly visible. So these are the designs that we have here on the necks. We have more, and you can always DM or WhatsApp us. We can send you the clear pictures of these designs. I can't really show you everything right now because we've removed quite a few from the display already, but please go through the IGTV one so that you can take a look at the designs
this
that
entire
we
video
have
will be saved
in our IGTV column. Please go through everything if you want to take a look. They want us to do a live on diamond bangles. What are your thoughts?
Sure. Just give us your suggestions on what you would want to see. I mean, what's in majority will be shown first, and yes, everything will be covered, but what's in majority will be first.
So we'll put up a poll. You can let us know whatever it is that you're looking for. These are all your choker cum baju buns. So if there's anything you specifically like, please take a screenshot, get back to us. It was an amazing experience having you guys here on the live.
Thank you so much. We'll be waiting for your inquiries and your purchases.
And they say they love